Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the Hat of the Month Club for the month of May. So this is the red iconic box that it comes in. On it, this time it says this hat will be captivating. I guess that gives us a little hint of what kind of a hat it is. Now let's open up the box and see what is inside. First of all, we usually have some kind of a question or a riddle. It looks like we have a question this month. And the question is, sand is a finite resource used not only for beach restoration, but also in construction. Which country exports more sand than any other? Now, I have not looked at this yet, so I really have no idea. And if I would have to guess, I would say something like Saudi Arabia. They have a lot of sand there, right? The real answer is probably something silly like, Alaska, but let's see what the answer is. And the answer is the United States. And see, I would have never guessed that. It says the U.S. sells twice as much sand than the next leading exporter, which is the Netherlands. Whew, and that was as of 2015. I'll bet you anything. My answer with Saudi Arabia, I bet you they've caught up in the meantime. There's also another little thing. It says the country that imports the most sand is the island city-state of Singapore. Interesting. Much of the sand is used for land reclamation projects. Interesting. Okay, so we all learned something. Now, why we're talking about sand, I'm not sure, but we'll find out. So we're going to take out all the extra tissue that keeps all your products safe. Woo. And then inside, look what we have here. We have, I'm going to open this up. We have a little, we have a little dish this month. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It has a little llama on it. And I think this little dish would probably be perfect to put stitch markers in, tapestry needles, anything that you just have to have sitting right next to you and you don't want sitting in your project bag at the time. So I imagine that it's probably food safe too. It's a hand wash only, but it doesn't say anything about not being food safe. So you could actually serve some nuts in it or something else like that as well. Now, the most important thing that's in the bag or the box is always what comes or what is in there to make your hat. And let's see what it is this month. This month it is, I'm trying to find the opening here. Here we go. Look at that. This month it is Zobaball cotton. This is Zobaball cotton, right? Yes, it is. It's Zobaball cotton. This is a 100% cotton that is, it's an organic cotton. And the colors, it has a very, very slow gradient to it. So let's see what they've made with this cotton. And this month, the pattern design is by Hannah E. Mann. There is a photo of the actual hat, although well, let's see what the actual color looks like. I have a feeling it doesn't show up really great there. But here is an actual, the actual hat. And it's a very lightweight little beanie type of thing that you can wear in summer. So it would be perfect if you, get it knit up by the end of June so that you can wear it in all the summer months. And Kyle gave me a little thing. He gave me this here. This is what was left over from the hat. And it is enough to make a second hat. So technically you have enough yarn in your box to make two little beanies, one for yourself and one for your best friend. How's that? So there you go. Of course, you're going to have your pattern in here, and the hat is actually called Growing Affection. And then you're going to have a slip, so in case you have a Ravelry account, it has a code on it so that you can download the pattern into your library as well. So that is our sock of the, no, this is not our sock of the month. This is our hat of the month for the month of May. And of course, we will be having another hat of the month next month. If you are not a subscriber and wish to be, you can subscribe on our website. Just go to subscriptions. And it's, if it's something that you find after a month or two that you don't like, you can cancel at any time. And otherwise, we'll just keep going with sending you one box a month with a hat. And if you were interested in this one, if you check out our website, once more under subscriptions, if there's extra boxes, they will be there, or you can come in the shop or call the shop and ask. Alrighty, that's it for this month. We'll see you again next month. In the meantime, stay safe. Ciao.